Let's make a fish cloud. Straight out of the freezer, we're gonna make something called Pla Fu. You might have heard of it as the name Pla Duk Fu, but Pla Duk is specifically a catfish. Now today we don't have a catfish. We have a black bass here that's in my freezer, and I wanna show you that just from frozen, you can create luxury. Considering it's coming straight out of the freezer, I'm gonna have to go directly with complete laziness. Steam it from frozen. Let's move on with the show here. In attempts to put some flavor into whatever you're steaming, I like to put aromatics in the water. So I have a little lemongrass here, and also a little bit of makrut lime leaves. Turn the heat down a little bit. And while that's steaming, we're gonna cut up this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful green mango. Just making incisions this way. You don't need to really worry about cutting your hand because you need to be confident with this, but also because there's the pit. And you just make little slivers like this. Cooking for myself right now, I'm not worried about this getting cross-contaminated. I'm not feeding anyone. So I can right now take this part and have my mango rib. That's what's up. The true luxury that you get when you're cooking is that you get to taste along the way. Taste all the beauty. And the mango rib is one of the nicest ribs we have in life. The fish should be just about done. Open the steamer away from you. In this case here, don't worry about overcooking it because we're going to pound it and fluff it up and then cook it again. So the fish is going to be hammered by the time this process is all done. It's so tasty. It's a really good flavor. It has a subtle lemongrass flavor, but it's mostly just bland. You know, this is the benefit, obviously, if you grill the fish, because then you get all that smoke in it, and you get other layers of flavor. But this is a quick way to make a seriously nice fish cloud. All of a sudden, I have a new audience member here watching me pick the fish. Oh. Hello. Hi, cutie. Oh. Plan here is you just pick the fish, right? Get the little pieces and you put it in a bowl. We don't want the skin, hence why I didn't use any kind of foil or banana leaves or anything to line the steamer. No problem. The skin's just gonna rip off anyways. So just large chunks here. And now we'll pound all of this. That's a very nice scream. I went inside to get a little bit of salt to season this because you need to have some seasoning here. That's kosher salt. It's a large pinch, but this is where the seasoning gets in the fish cloud. Came back outside, I see flies all around the fish. That's how you know you're onto something good. The flies are coming for your food. I have a neutral oil. You need a good amount. We're gonna get this really hot. That's a complete fail of the fish cloud, but you know what? It's good. It's good that you saw this. This happened because of how I put the fish in the wok. First of all, too slow, and I didn't scatter it enough so it can come together really quickly. So it's probably a heat issue and how I put it in the wok. And unfortunately, this right here is the whole fish. So this is what I have now. So back on day 2 here, just steamed another fish today, bronzino. and I pounded it. Something that I usually do that I just was kind of lazy on yesterday when I did the first take of this, which I'd never, I rarely do 2 takes of a video. I was kind of upset with myself. After pounding it, I really took paper towels and was squeezing the fish to get out as much excess water as possible. Now, I didn't do this step yesterday because I was feeling lazy, and you need to do this step. And then you have a breadcrumb texture like this. If you use 100% fish, it'll maybe fall apart a little bit, which is why the more fish you use, the more you fold it over itself, the more structure you will build. But as you can see, the one that I folded over, it's really holding up, whereas the other one, you can take off a little piece. The other cloud, you know, a piece comes off like this. This cloud right here, I folded it over and there's more integrity, more luxury, holds together. So you kind of choose. Either way, if it starts to break apart, that's fine. It's going to break apart by the time you put the dressing and mix it all together anyways. I like to give this a little taste right now. Now I want this dressing to be a little bit sweeter than usual because the green mango is really sour. So just compensate depending on how sweet your green mango is. Some fish sauce. Very good. Very, very nice. Time has come to indulge in this luxury right here. As you can see, I left the fish cloud off of the green mango salad so it stays crispy, so that when you mix it together, you get that ultimate luxury. Don't get me wrong, once it starts soaking up the dressing, it's almost like the deliciousness that a panzanella can provide you. But when you're serving it, make sure they're kind of separate. This is one of the best dishes in life, truly.